Hello everyone, this is Akshat Singh from Aatmanirbhar Solar Private Limited. Our organization was started in 2021. We are having a capacity of 300 megawatt and our plant is situated in Kapadwanj, Kheda district near Ahmedabad. And we are now expanding in Madhya Pradesh near Indore with the capacity of 1.5 gigawatt. We have got a fantastic response from Maha Expo. Footfall was nice and our experience in Maha Expo, as per our expectation, it was nice. We had a great footfall yesterday. We have got lot of inquiries and awareness and all the government schemes here in Maharashtra at great level. Okay, thank you.